high gloss mirror polish machine for aluminum profile. This is two-head machine, pre-polish buff and final polish buff. Today we try on commercial grade of aluminum profile with very thin gauge extrusion. Already mirror polish compound we apply. Now we start for polishing process. Wow, wonderful finish. But this is the pre-polish. Now we are doing final high gloss mirror polish machine with white liquid compound and Valgro second head white, very soft cloth polishing wheel. We can try. We apply here white compound now for second pass. You can brush liquid compound on the aluminum surface. Coating done for final gloss polish. It's a really wonderful machine, robust, highly precise, and design is equal to European standard. I will show you the mirror high. Really good, really good. Wow, very nice, very nice. Made by Valgro. Clean the profile by soft cotton cloth, so whatever foreign particles and residues are there, Mr. Manohar, he is our customer.
This is a wonderful finish.
Okay.
And what I see is this finish is wonderful. It's a very good mirror finish. This has come in 4 passes. It's very neat and clean, perfectly mirror finish polish as per my requirement. And I think 1 or 2 more passes will give me an 8K kind of finish. I'm very sure about it. I'm very satisfied with the finish of my product, and thank you Valgro for giving me such a